Hi! In front of me is Lenovo TAB M10 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness on this device. First of all, you need to open Tab menu. Now look for Auto Brightness shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now blue. That means that auto brightness is enabled, but you can always disable it by tapping on the same shortcut again. If you wish to, you can always go into settings and click on display section instead. Then click on adaptive brightness and tap on this switcher next to it to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!